In the world of SAP, ABAP remains a fundamental programming language. What if you could supercharge your SAP ABAP development with the power of AI? Welcome to AI for SAP ABAP Development, an online course designed to elevate your ABAP skills using cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot. Imagine having an experienced developer guiding you throughout your SAP coding journey, offering real-time suggestions to help you write cleaner, smarter, and more efficient code. In this course, we will introduce you to the GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT, your own AI-powered coding assistants that will revolutionize the way you develop ABAP applications. You will learn how to use ChatGPT in web browser for code generations, error resolution, functional assistance, interview preparation, and continuous learning. You will also learn how to integrate GitHub Copilot with Eclipse ADT to leverage autocode completions and chat-powered guidance to focus on solving core business problems while AI helping boost productivity. The future of ABAP development is AI-driven. Don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead in the industry. So why wait? Join today and take the first step towards AI-powered ABAP development. Enroll now and transform the way you code ABAP.